What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, y'all already know how I do it. I get straight to it, but before I do, I just want to let you all know to constantly like, comment, guys, subscribe. And if you think that this information is valuable, you think it can help somebody else, definitely just send this, share it to friends, family, heck, people that you don't know. You know what I'm saying? If you know anybody's trying to get right financially, or if you know anybody's already financially stable, send them some of these things to keep them sharp, all right? You never know exactly what you can use, when you can use it, and how often you can use it until you just see, right? Even if it's not for you, it could be in the future. So just always keep that in mind. Don't just have a selfish or one-track mind, man. It's always people that can be beneficial and that can be, this information can be valuable too. All right. Also, of course, if you need anything, man, my information is always in the description. Only if you need anything, only if you're ready. All right. I don't have time to just talk to you guys all day. I promise you, I wish I could just do like a one-on-one with everybody. But sorry, guys, I cannot. All right. Also, a lot of you guys are saying that you want me to leave like my letters into like a link or in the description and things like that. So I'm definitely going to be working on that this week. So by next week, that should be rolled out for everything that I'll have to offer. But until then, if you guys want to purchase anything, all you have to do is just contact me directly and you can get everything directly from me. All right. I usually like to just like kind of assess your situation and figure out what you'll need myself so that you don't have to kind of like just be, you know, on your own, like, all right, well, I don't know. So I'm going to do the best I can, like when I roll everything out, to make sure everything is structured to where you know exactly what you're buying and why you're buying, all right? And why you're buying it, because everybody's situation is different, okay? Some people's situation is extremely unique, and I'm not going to look over those kind of people, all right? If you need help, this is the place where you can be, all right? So check this out. Today, I want to talk to you about how you remove your late payments. Okay, not the whole account, just your late payments. All right, this is completely legal. Actually, we're using law 15 USC 1666B. Okay, B2 to be exact, but that whole section on 15 USC 1666B is extremely important when it's talking about removing late payments and things like that. All right, now do that research on your own. All you have to do is just type it in Google or something and figure out what that is. All right, I just led you to the water. I can't make you drink, but you can drink yourself. Okay, now I'm going to tell you why this is extremely important to put this in your letters when you're dealing with late payments. All right, it kills two birds with one stone. Now, one thing that it does is, of course, it removes late payments. Okay, a payment is not late, and I know you heard me say this before. A payment is not late unless you allow it to be late. All right, I know some people think like, okay, well, if I was late paying this, then I probably deserve a late payment. And that's actually not true. It is your consumer report, all right? And anything on your consumer report does not give them legally, it does not give them the right to post something negative on your report that will then be sent to someone else to make a decision on your financial future, okay? That is not legal, and that is not how this game works, and that's not how things are supposed to be done, all right? Not only will you be able to remove those late payments from your credit report, but also you can remove charge-offs by using this as well, okay? Because we have to ask ourselves, how does something become a charge-off in the first place? How is it going to become a charge-off? All right. The only way an account can become charged off is if you have a 30-day late payment, a 60-day late payment, then a 90-day late payment, 120-day late payment, then it could be charged off. Okay. So if you don't have a 30, 60, 90, 120, then it can't be charged off. Okay. So not only can you use this for your late payments, but you can also use this for your accounts that says charged off, because if you delete or remove those late payments that are on that account, then there is no way that this account can be charged off, because nothing has ever been late, because we said so. Right? This is our consumer report. This is our credit report. All right. Does that make sense to you all? Now, I want to always give you guys a little more guidance as well when it comes to actually sending your letters and things like that, because I know that you could be like, all right, I got the law, but what am I going to do with it? Okay. And like I said, you incorporate it with your letter. So how this is going to work is, number one, okay, you're going to always make sure that you send your letter for them to investigate. Okay, They need to investigate whatever discrepancies, which this is late payments that we're talking about, whatever discrepancies that you got going on. All right. And it ain't just about sending letters regularly. You got to make sure that you send those bad boys certified mail return receipt. But before you do that, you got to make sure you pull your credit report. You have to make sure that you mark the discrepancies that are actually on your credit report. All right. You also have to make sure that you have your letter to go with that. OK, they must investigate it. Actually, anything that goes on a consumer report needs to be investigated before it even goes on. So by you sending a letter, that's actually a reinvestigation that they should be doing. Okay, so this is the second time that they should be investigating it. All right, then after that, then you want to tell them to remove this due to 1666B, etc., etc. Okay, however you want to formulate it in your letters, that is all up to you guys. I also have the templates and different things like that. Of course, I actually have a few different templates because I know how things can get burnt out and stuff like that. And I'm not going to be using the same verbiage in all of my letters or nothing close to it because I understand how this thing works, guys. All you got to do is just kind of switch it up a little bit. All right. So the third letter is going to be your letter of demand. All right. Saying, hey, basically, if you don't do exactly what I told you to do, then this is going to be sent to court, period. And this is another reason why you're sending everything certified mail return receipt. If you want to start court, it has to start in the mail. All right. Very, very, very important. Now, like I said, first letter, investigation. That's 30 to 35 days max. Second letter, late payments. That's 15 days. All right. Third letter, they got 10 days to respond to that third letter. Okay. So when I tell you guys, I clean credit in less than 60 days, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. Did you just hear that time frame? 30 days to 35 days, 15 days, 10 days. All right. 30 to 35, 15, 10. All right. Most of the time, depending on how well your letters are, that third letter is not even needed. Okay. So in 45 days, your credit should be clean, guys. This is literally, I don't want to say it's easy because it can be difficult, but I'm giving it to you guys. I'm giving it to you. All right. All you have to do is do the work. All right. Now, if you don't want to do the work, that you know that you have assistance available, whether it's me, whether it's somebody else, but I just want you guys to win, y'all. It's 2025, man. Let's go. All right. If you got late payments down below, comment late payments. Also, make sure that you're commenting because you know that this channel is going to be doing giveaways and stuff like that. It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. I'm out.